Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back. Well, okay, this is not a fall look, but I mean the orange is fallish, but y'all know I'm always come with some extra color, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned to see how I got this look. So we are starting off with priming with the P. Louise base. You guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. I think I'm going to give away a few of these bases because I have like so many of the same color because I bought the vault, and then but before that I bought some individuals. So I'm going to give a few of these away because I literally only used like 2 or 3 of the colors, and the vault came with like what, like 10 shades. This one is in the number 5, rumor 5, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid. I do apologize that I disappeared for like a whole month. I really kind of don't have a legit reason other than the fact that I have just not been feeling YouTube recently. Well, as far as I know, I made a post on the community tab here on YouTube, and I was telling you guys that I was kind of over the makeup tutorials, because I mean I've been doing like just tutorials for the past like 2 years. For this look, I kind of played around with a bunch of palettes because the formulas and stuff are different. I was using, y'all, got the Worldie palette from P. Louise. The baby blue in here, which is the color Worldie. I cannot get this one. I can see all the junk on my desk, but I couldn't get this one to really blend how I wanted it to. It's not even chalky, it's just something about it does not want to blend. So I ended up going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it's actually the only other palette I have that has the baby blue in it. So I took this one and I'm using the E17 to apply this color. I took this look off about 3 times and I'm like, wow, I really like, if I go a while without doing makeup, it shows, because there's no reason it should have taken me so long to get this basic look done. Like, I didn't even cut my crease, and it took me like 4 tries to get the colors and everything right, and just to figure out like what palette I wanted to use. When I said that I was over makeup tutorials, I wasn't saying that I was not going to do them anymore at all. I was just saying, you know, let me take a break from just the regular makeup tutorials because I've been doing it for so long. You know, let me vlog or something. But then it's like, even when I started vlogging, it was awkward. But y'all see, that was the blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil. And then I'm going into my colored Raine palette. Something else I hate, so this is why I don't talk while I'm doing makeup, because number 1, it's gonna take me forever. Number 2, I'll be all over the place. I hate how I always get my nails done, and then by the time I actually sit down to record, I need to feel it. And the man, let me tell y'all a quick story time too. Here I'm gonna take a little bit of Drip Drop in Neo Blue. I don't know if that was a typo on my palette. I feel like it should say neon, but I don't know. These two, this one and then this one right here. When I'm gonna get my nails done, first of all, I feel like the man was being a little rude. Like, I really like to, you know, feel like people just say stuff sometimes and it came out wrong versus just assuming they're just a rude person. He was doing my nails or whatever, and it's like, first he was trying to talk me into getting gel polish, which I really don't be getting, because I mean it costs more, and my nails, like my acrylic nails, they don't peel ever with polish. So it's like I really don't have a reason to get gel polish, except for the fact I don't have to sit there and let them dry. I ended up getting it because I was thinking about the fact my boyfriend was with me and we were getting pedicures and stuff, and I didn't want to keep him there waiting for so long, so I decided to go ahead and get the gel. But I told him like I want a short square set, and he was like, he looked at me, he was like, do you fight? And I was like, like what, like why you, like what made you ask me that? And he was like, well, you're getting he said something about me getting a short set. And I'm like, okay, you trying to be funny because I'm black? Like what are you trying to say? Like what does me getting a short set have to do with me fighting? Because if I was a fighter, I wouldn't get my nails done at all, and I'm too old to be fighting, y'all. I got into one fight, and I wouldn't even say it was like a legit fight. It was like a fist fight, and it was out of self-defense because this girl thought she was gonna get in my face, and I had to let her know quickly, like, I'm not the one. I'm quiet, I'm to myself, but you're not gonna just, you know, you're not gonna do me any type of way. But yeah, he started asking me all types of questions, like, are you from here? Like, it just got weird, and I'm like, can you just finish my nails? And then this is another reason I don't like going to nail salons. Like, I need a personal nail tech, but it's like everybody here be booked up. I want a personal nail tech because they, number one, know exactly what they're doing. A lot of these people in these salons now, they have not mastered shaping, at least here. I had stopped getting acrylics for a while because I couldn't find anybody to shape my nails properly. I'm going to go into the Worldie palette. I keep wanting to say Worldly for some reason. I'm taking the shade San Francisco, which is this indigo color. Packing that right beside the last blue that I put down. So I'm going to go to my Morphe 25L. I really don't even know if I want to consider this a tutorial because this is all over the place. 25L palettes, and I'm taking the shade Truth. I don't know if you guys really can see a difference in the indigo in that color, but I definitely do. It just kind of gives me a smoother transition too from indigo back to purple since it's lighter. Can y'all see the purple? Yeah, y'all can. I kind of didn't want to do this look because the last look I did was blue, but I really like the blue with this shade of hair. It's so pretty, and my hair look humongous. I don't need to take my cap down. Let me shut up. I'm telling y'all too much information. Going back into the colored Raine palette, I'm taking this purple shade over here. And I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see the video with my sister. It's halfway edited. It's halfway done, but we came to the conclusion that it would be better. I might just go ahead and upload it because at this point, I'm not gonna keep waiting. It would probably be better if we did a video where we talked more, because in that video we weren't really talking. I feel like y'all would want us to talk more than what we actually did. So that's why that video has not gone up yet. I'm really not a talkative person, so I'm really shocked that I'm doing this much talking now, because I remember a while ago I could not talk or do my makeup at all. I'm going back into, right now I'm using the dark purple again from the 25L because it was looking a little patchy. I'm gonna take my Worldie palette again. This time I'm taking Sunset for this orangey shade down here at the bottom. I'm gonna take my hydrating primer from Fenty. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I'm gonna shade 440C. Okay, wait, yeah, I can't expose myself that much. But I always blend my foundation with the 405 brush from Real Techniques. It's like the Beauty Bakerie concealer. It's in a number 8. It kind of looks a little light for me. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't realize I was that far over. But y'all, now I'm adding this Tarte Shape Tape. This is the shade 47S. It's Tan Deep Sand. Okay, so this Lucky looks really good. So I'm going to set with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have not done makeup in so long. Some of my stuff got dust on it. I know that sounds disgusting, but it's been that long. I'm adding some of the NYX liner right quick because my lashes was not looking cute at the top. at all. Oh, and I just messed it up. Great. I always do that. At this point, oh, I wish I had some rhinestones. This would be so cute if I added some rhinestones somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna take some of the lower. Actually, I think I'm gonna contour a little darker. I'm gonna use my Zulu palette. I also got this from Beats by Deb. She was saying that Kiki Adams told her to use this shade right here. I'm kind of scared because on her she was saying it's a little red, and I think she might be a little lighter than me. We gonna see. It literally looked the same as the other contour color I was using. But like I was saying, I'm gonna add some more of the Laura Mercier powder to kind of carve out the bottom of my contour. Definitely could have been a little neater. Definitely. I'm not really that good at picking blushes. This one is the Saharan blush volume 2. I think I'm gonna take this one right here. What y'all think about this color right here? Yeah, I'm gonna go back and contour my nose with the same bronzer I used earlier because I definitely forgot. So going back into the Worldie palette, I'm taking Sunset once again, which was this orange right here at the bottom. Just smoking it out underneath my lash line. This lip liner I'm going to be using is from Sistar Cosmetics. It's brown. Is that what it's actually called? It's called Earthly Brown. It says Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner. So this one up here is called Starfish, and then this one is called Malt. I think I'm gonna do Starfish because I like that one a little bit better, I think, with this look. I ended up adding Starfish, which is the lighter one, and then I'm gonna add some lip gloss on top. This is what it looks like. For highlighter, I'm taking my Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. I'm taking this light color out of the center. And y'all, I will always love my brow highlight. It just makes the look. However, mine do look a little harsh. But if you had an issue, just go back in one of your brushes from earlier. You don't have to use any more product, but just dust some of the highlight away. Why Max want to start barking as soon as I try to talk? Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Y'all, I'm really feeling this hair. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one.